morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 20th, Thursday morning, and it definitely is a risk-off day today. When you look at the whole commodity complex, you've got grain markets catching a lot of the heat as well. But an example, gold market is down $80 here this morning. So coming from Bernanke's comments yesterday that thinking about slowing the easing process, and that is disseminated around the world and causing pressure in traders getting rid of risk here this morning. So the grain markets down after 3 days of sharp rally. Some of that is also impacted by the weather. There's been a change somewhat where it's a little cooler, more scattered showers forecasted out in the 5 to 10 day period. We've got export sales out in about 15 minutes or so, so we'll be watching them closely. Stay in touch with your Allendale broker and get all the details there. The fund buying that we've seen in the last 3 days has caused this December corn market to jump sharply. We've had a 45-cent range there in 3 days. Soybeans has had a 37-cent range in 3 days. So getting some profit taking and with this risk-off attitude is certainly causing some lower prices here today. The open interest changes yesterday is something to note. Very minimal changes in open interest with very large volume yesterday in the trading. So what that tells us is that these markets are going to be choppy here for a period of time. The other news economically, China did release their PMI numbers overnight, 48.3%. That's the lowest that they've seen there in 9 months, suggesting a slowing of their economy. So no good news here this morning that helps support the rally that we've seen here in the last few days in the grain complex. In the livestock, we've got a cattle on feed report tomorrow afternoon. Trade averages there are 96.1% on feed, place 95, marketed 98%. Egg placements or egg sets came out here this morning, and it increased 3%. So that's the first time we've seen that in some time, where the poultry industry looks to be getting ready for some expansion, especially with the prospects of cheaper feed down the road. The cutout values in beef last night, choice down 126, select up 30. Pork cutouts were down 45 cents. Again, we've got an extremely overbought condition in the pork complex. Be careful about chasing rallies there and use appropriate risk protection, because that market could change directions rather quickly. So a lot of things going on here today. We've got the USDA reports next week that will continue to be talked about, and trying to figure out which adjustment will the USDA make. Will they lower corn acres? Will they raise bean acres? And those things will you need to know, and you need to sign up for the Allendale monthly webinar, which is be Tuesday. Rich Nelson will cover those in detail, and I'm sure you'll go away with some important information. If you got any questions, give us a call at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.